In this tutorial, I'll show you a great PDF editing tool called SwifDoo PDF. I'll walk you through how it works on a Mac, and if you'd like to try it for yourself, check the link in the description below for a free trial. So I have SwifDoo PDF installed on my machine. I am using the Pro version of SwifDoo, and I'm going to open this PDF right here. It's a design poster, and I need to edit some words on this poster. So if I go up to the top and click Edit, I am now in editing mode. I'm just going to click into this text box to edit the text here. So it made text editing really simple. You can also do things like add text. You can add an image and then resize that image or move it around. And then you can add links as well. And there we go. My editing is complete. So I'm going to exit editing mode. And now I'll save my new PDF. Go to File, Save As, and I'll save it as a new version on my machine. So that's a quick look at editing a PDF using SwifDoo PDF on a Mac. If you'd like to check it out, check the description below for a free trial. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.